Okay, I'm gonna make a quick meal with some salmon. Use my garlic herb seasoning. Use a little, caramelized butter seasoning. Some black pepper. There you guys, I'm gonna add some tomatoes in here. This is my air fryer. Okay, this is an air fryer dish. So we're gonna make a full meal. Okay, and then let me slide this over a little bit because I want to put some pasta in here also. Okay, all right. So let me get there. I'm gonna add some chives, chopped chives. I'll make a full meal in my air fryer. Okay. Then I'm gonna add some milk, whatever milk you want to use. Okay, I think I need a little bit more. Okay, all right, that's the milk. And then I want to add a little bit of cheese. A little bit of cheese for that pasta. Then I'm gonna get some of my chili crisp. Okay. I'm gonna add some of that there. Okay, a few more chives. Okay, that's the milk. Put it in like that, you guys. Make sure the milk is evenly in there. Okay. And then we're gonna cook this in the air fryer. So I'm gonna put a little bit more garlic and herb seasoning. And I got a full meal right here. Okay, just a touch more of my milk. All right, see that? Okay, I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. Okay, temperature on 75, and I'm gonna have it air fry for how many minutes? 20 minutes. 25 minutes. Okay. So you just want to stir up your noodles. Okay, just 1 minute. I think I need some more milk. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more milk to it. You can mix your tomatoes with it, which is what I want to do. Okay, just like that. And then I want to add some more. I want to add a tenth more of cheese. Use whatever cheese you want. I'm using the cheddar. Okay, I want my pasta to be cheesy also. Okay, so you see, I'll give you a closer look before we finish it. Okay, that's how it's looking. Okay, I'm gonna let it finish cooking. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the view. I'll see you in the view for our air fryer meal. Okay, so this is an air fryer 1-pot meal. Okay, air fryer 1-pot meal coming up. So that was I think about 20 minutes. Okay, and this is what we have. So let me get a spoon. Okay. You have your salmon, fish, okay? Put that down. Another slice. Okay, then I need another spoon. Just 1 minute. And for the pasta and the tomatoes, they might have got a little overcooked. But look, pasta. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Pasta's a little overcooked because of the type of pasta that I used. I used the pasta that you used for the faux soup. So it's fragile, but it's okay with me. And you have a full meal. 1 pot air fryer meal. And just get all the, see, take it all out with a spoon. And there you have it. You have a delicious 20-minute meal. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you. Hold on. Finish. Hold on. And there you have it. You have a 1-pot meal made in the air fryer. And this is some salmon fish and some pasta. Took about 20 minutes to make in the air fryer, you guys. You can make a full meal in your air fryer. Okay? The pasta is a little bit overcooked because I used the full pasta, but it's still good. It's delicious. Okay, so if you're busy and don't have time to make dinner, want something really fast, that's really good. Oops, sorry. That's really good, you guys. You can make this dish. Okay, give it a closer look. And there you have it. You have a delicious 1-pot meal made in my air fryer. Only took about 20 minutes, okay? And it's some salmon and some pasta, okay? Give you a closer look, you guys. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? I made it all in the air fryer, and you can too, okay? 1-pot meal in the air fryer, and it's salmon and some pasta with tomatoes and cheese. Okay, so go try it out, you guys. Try in your air fryer. Okay, look at that. Ooh, don't they look good? Delicious. A delicious meal in 20 minutes, right from your air fryer. Ooh, delicious. It's delicious. Okay, guys, that's it. Okay, look at that. Delicious. Okay, all right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see you on the next one. And let me know if you try this dish, okay? Maybe your pasta will turn out better. Okay, I'll see you guys. See you on the next one.